Good afternoon, everybody. It's another Big Blue Vanovation video, and today I just wanted to show you the completed wall now that I have finished putting in the vapor barrier. It went in quite well. I used a bit more than I anticipated, but overall it's not a bad job at all. So the next job will be boarding, and I will put my video onto time-lapse and let you see the process. Hopefully this will take 3 sheets to complete boarding it, this wall. I'm not going to be doing the other wall just yet. I won't be videoing that. I'll just show you how I've undertaken the kitting out of this wall, the framing, the insulation, the vapor barrier, and then the boarding of it, and then we'll be on to the floor then. So this wall is today's task. We've got some hardwood plywood sheets here. I'm hoping it won't take more than 3. It could take 4. I've got plenty, but that is what will be going on there. I'm going to be using 3mm to keep the weight down, and with the battens on the back, that should be strong enough to support the kitchen. So I'll put this onto time lapse now, and we'll go through the process of starting to install the walls. So enjoy. Okay people, so we've had a full-on day of it. We've spent about 4.5 hours, something like that, doing this. Had a little break from a lunch, I hope you don't mind. We have now managed to board an entire wall. As you would have seen in the video earlier, the hyperlapse, we did encounter a few issues. It was being a little bit problematic as we were doing it, but the end result has proven to be very worthwhile. I've now got the window frames up, as you can see just here and here. I've activated the blinds just to put them in and show you what it's going to look like, but this wall is now boarded, and tomorrow what we will do is carpet it. We have some 4-way stretch carpeting. I'll take these window frames back off and then put the carpeting up. It's the sound deadening stuff as well, so as well as the sound deadening pads that we put on the wall originally, with the fleece lining, and then the vapor barrier, and then the boarding and the carpeting. That's going to give us a nice quiet wall there. All we've got to do then is duplicate that on this side. It's a much smaller wall, shouldn't take us anywhere near as long. We've got the bank holiday weekend to do it, so we've got plenty of time on our hands. But as you can see, we've made really good progress today, and we'll do a video tomorrow to show you the carpeting. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.